Greetings one and all. So this time we are going to focus on updating the Java runtime on your machine. So in the past, we've done this manually in the videos, and we have gone on and gone to the IBM website and we've downloaded a version of Java. We've extracted it and put it into a directory on the PC. Also in the past, we've talked about updating ACS automatically, and we've done the same process, or we've had a centrally managed system that we could go off and use to do automatic updates. And that's what I'd like to focus on this time. So in the past, in ACS, we have gone in and we've set preferences and we've put in a system that we're going to have centrally to check for updates to ACS. Well, now with a funky version in the latest version of ACS, let's just do that, which is 1.1.9.1. So this last 0.1 enable this function. We can not only check for updates to ACS, but also the version of Java. So Java here, we can see we're using 11.0.14.1. All right. Okay, so if I was to go off to the similar websites we've shown before, and I downloaded the latest version I was interested in, fine. So I would then manually in the past have had to unzip it and put it in this directory here, which you'll see is the public directory that ACS, the 64-bit run, is running in. Okay, well, to save a bit of time, I've already downloaded that. You'll notice when you download it, it is zipped, so you need to uncompress it, unzip it before you start. So let's just do a quick extract all. Right. And it's going to take that Java file, and there are 643 different items in there that will need to be uncompressed. It sounds like it'll take ages, but it speeds up. Okay, because a lot of these are tiny, tiny files. Okay, once you've downloaded those, they need to be uploaded to the ACS directory where the updates exist. So this is when you put the latest PTF on for your ACS, that creates a directory with the latest ACS installation. What does that look like? Well, let's just use the navigator for I, go and look inside Start Programs and the 64-bit version, and you can see that there, to save time, I've already uploaded this directory, which has all of the latest versions of Java in it. Okay. If you're not sure how you would upload a directory, well, let me just show you that. You right-click in the directory where you want to upload it to. Okay, select Upload. We're going to go to this PC and the Downloads directory. And you'll notice there's the zip ones. Also ignore that. Double-click on the one you've extracted, and you'll notice it has exactly the same name inside of it. That's just a quirk of zip, unfortunately. It unzipped it with the same folder, so that's the one I want to select. Because inside of that one is where all the goodness is, right? So that top level there, then you say open it and you say, do you want to upload it? And if I click OK, it would then start to upload it. Well, you don't want to watch it upload, so let's come over there. The important thing now is that here, when I do a check for updates, even though my version of ACS is current, because I'm at the latest 1.1.9.1, it's noticed there's a newer version of the Java runtime. So I'm going to click on install for that. And it is going to download that version of Java. Let's come out of there and update the version that is in my ACS client. So you remember before we had that version, you can see it already downloading that newer version. So it's done it, it's updated it already. Click OK. Close the version of ACS you're currently using. So you can see that that's now got the newer version in as well. So move that down the way. Now when I restart the ACS client back up again, boom, 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 boom. So instead of running that older version of Java, when we do a help and about, you can see I'm now using the newer version. So not the .14 version, I've got the .17 version. It's as simple as that to keep up to date. One of the things I have noticed is that it doesn't remove the older version from your local PC, but it does select the newer version. So maybe we can do something about that tidying up in a future tip. If you've got any ideas on how we can do it, please let me know. But for now, I just tend to delete it. So it pretty much is as simple as that. This is an easy way to keep your Java version up to date, as well as your ACS up to date from a central IBM I system, making the whole process much easier to use. As ever, if you've got any tips or ideas or things you'd like me to discuss to do with ACS, please let me know. Drop me a comment and I will try and do that for you. Until then, TTFN.